In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Bookings for parent-teacher conferences. Microsoft Bookings is a simple way to let families pick a time that works for them without the back and forth emails. We'll set up a dedicated booking page, define when you're available, and share a single link parents can use to schedule. Start by going to office.com and opening the app launcher, then choose Bookings. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find Bookings. Once you're in, look for the option to create a booking page. This is the public page parents will use to make appointments. Create a new booking page by selecting the plus icon or choosing to create from scratch. Give your page a clear, recognizable name, something like Parent Teacher Conferences. Next, choose a business type. Select education so the defaults and terminology fit a school setting. Set your business hours to reflect the dates and times you'll hold conferences. Be sure the time zone is correct, and add only the windows you truly plan to meet. You can fine tune later, but getting the basics right now helps keep your calendar clean. Now go to the Services tab and add a new service. This is the actual appointment parents will book. Name it clearly, such as Parent Teacher Conference, and add a brief description so families know what to expect. Set the duration and location. Pick a meeting length that fits your format. Many schools use 10, 15, or 20 minutes. For virtual meetings, enable add online meetings so a Microsoft Teams link is created automatically. For in-person conferences, enter your room number or meeting location. This ensures the confirmation parents receive includes all the essentials. Adjust availability for this service under availability options. Define custom hours that match your conference windows and add buffer time between meetings to handle overruns, take notes, or transition to the next family. A small buffer, like 5 minutes, can keep your schedule running smoothly. Finally, configure your booking page settings and publish it. Once it's live, copy the link. Share the link via your usual communication channels, such as email or your classroom management platform, so parents can choose a time that works for them. It's a good idea to test the link yourself in a private or incognito window to see exactly what parents will experience. That's it. With your booking page published, your availability set, and your service defined, you're ready to streamline signups and focus on productive conversations with families.